So hello everyone, I'm back with one more video, and in this video I'm telling about what is the strategy of the solving MCQs in order to score a good marks in the NEET examination. So I'm telling about that before giving the question paper, just read the questions, and after reading the question, suppose you are selecting question number 1, question number 2, or whatever be the question you are selecting, just select the question and read the data, what data is given in the question paper. Just write that data, and after that what is asking in this question paper. Suppose I'm telling about one example like force that is equal to K times Q1 into Q2 upon R square. So before solving this type of questions, just you have to think about what is the charge and what is the magnitude of the charge. Either the charge is positive, either the charge is negative. These things you have to just very minutely you have to read in the question paper. Now secondly, coming to the like the potential problems, like if suppose there any in the circuit, you have to determine the potential difference, or you have to determine in a potential difference what is the current in this particular terminal. So this type of question can be solved by two methods. Either you can solve the Kirchhoff's voltage law or Kirchhoff's current law rule, or you can solve the point potential method. But before solving such type of question, one thing you have to very minutely you have to think about is that first of all, just mention the polarity of the charges. If you are mentioning positive polarity forward in the forward direction, then just mention positive polarity in all the forward direction. Like if resistor you are considering first part is positive, then second part is negative. Similarly, in all the circuits you have to mention the first part is positive. Like in battery, if there is a larger symbol that have a positive terminal, a smaller symbol that has a negative terminal. But before writing the KCL or KVL any rule, you have to think about that. Just mention the charges that you have taken in a thorough manner. Like you are considering positive part, then in the entire loop of this particular circuit you have to consider the positive part. So this is some tips in order to solve the MCQs. Now coming to there is a portion like magnetism is suppose there is a formula that is magnetic field at particular point due to that particular charge current, that is mu naught I upon 2r. Or several type of loops are given. There is infinite loop mu naught I upon 4 pi r, or there is a semicircular loop, then again there is infinite loop. So this type of question if asking, then you have to determine in each particular sections you have to determine the magnetic field. Suppose there is one part that is infinite circular wire, then there is a straight wire, then again that is a straight wire or infinite wire. So before solving such type of questions, you have to just cut out all the sections in order to determine the entire magnetic field, like B1 plus B2 plus B3. Now one more thing you have to consider in the magnetism portion is that you have to think about the direction of the magnetic field. Like right hand thumb rule, if you curl your thumb, then the magnetic field direction either it is in the upward or either it is in the downward direction. And after taking upward you have to consider it positive, after taking downward you have to consider it as negative. So positivity and negativity both are very much important, because if any sign or symbol is incorrect, then your option will be incorrect, and obviously you are not getting to go to the right answer of this particular question. So these are some important tips, and I'm telling about some more tips in strategy 3 in order to solve the MCQs. But before solving any questions of the NEET examination, just thoroughly read the question and write the data on the right side, and just consider the sign and the symbols, because without sign and symbols a very knowledgeable person can be the find the incorrect answer of that particular question. So these are some tips in order to crack the MCQs of the NEET examination, and just follow my more videos I will upload. But the main aim of my video is that solving any MCQ, just write the data and after that read the question 1 to 2 times or 3 times. If you are not able to understand it, read multiple times, and just try to solve in such a way that your sign convention should not be incorrect. Sign convention should be taken in a correct way in order to solve the question paper. So I'm uploading some more videos in order to guide you and in order to motivate you regarding the NEET examination. So follow my videos. Thank you very much.